So we're about to head out now, people. It's the Grand Destino Toledo's Tapas. I'm so hungry. We got the chulin ribeye steak for two.
Yeah.
That's the best thing, the alcohol. Alright, let me show you a little bit of the resort area. Another day, another vloggy, and guess what? It's my boo's birthday today. Say happy birthday in the comments, guys. Wish him a happy birthday. He's 21 today. Yep, he's 21. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. Feel free to hit the subscribe button, turn your post notification on so you never miss out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for the love. So we got a wonderful day planned for him. We're heading to Coronado Springs Resort right now, and then we're gonna head to dinner, and you're gonna be a part of that. So stay tuned. I'm gonna check back in when we're at the resort.
Springs Boulevard, then continue straight to stay on Coronado Springs Boulevard.
About to head to the pool right now, guys. Tell me if you liking my swimsuit. This is my swimsuit. Okay, this is my swimsuit, guys.
Got my sexy wife. She's sexy long time. Along with her.
Four kids wear.
Where? I don't know.
Where?
I don't see it. No stretch marks?
None. Nada.
Y'all body good.
Nada. Jaguar slide. That's Guys. Hey. So guys, we're here at the dig site, and you see behind me, you see the nice waterfall right there. The guys are having fun in the pool. I'm gonna check back in after this. See y'all in a bit. So this is the slide, guys. The guys went on it. Of course, I'm a scaredy cat, so I didn't. Look at the jaguar right there spitting water out, and of course the pyramid. It's a nice cool pool. It's called the dig site, and this is the jaguar slide. So yeah, this was fun. Heading back to the room right now. The baby's cold, and I'm all dry, and I'm coming from the pool. How you dry when you're coming from the pool? Let me show you the kiddie pool. This is the kiddie pool. Of course, we didn't go in there because Kyla wants to be under the water. And this is another shot of the area, guys. You see the pyramid right there. It's a cool resort, guys, and the guys are wet. We're heading back to the room, guys. And this is a nice view, guys. That's the Grand Destina Tower where we had dinner last night, and this is like a lake, a cabana. This is the cabana section. This is like a, I'm gonna show you like a beach theme. Right here got sand over the hammocks over the sand. I'm saying sand over the hammocks. Map. And this is like the beach theme where, you know, it's got sand right here. You go have a little sand, you can relax right here in some nice little hammocks in the sun. So you could, you know, warm up because it was a bit chilly this morning, but it's good. And this is the cabanas over here. Alright guys, I'm gonna check back in. Alright guys, so we are heading to dinner.
Show is.
Birthday boy, how are you enjoying your birthday so far, my love?
So good, my love.
We're going to what's the name of it?
You made a reservation.
Toledotapas. It's a Spanish themed restaurant on the 16th floor of the Grand Destin Tower. So I'm gonna show y'all that in a bit. See y'all in a bit. It's the Grand Destino Tower, guys. That's where we're going right now. I hear it's a very beautiful restaurant, so I'm gonna show it to y'all. 16th floor. We're here. I think. No. Oh, we're waiting for our table to be ready, guys. We're waiting. This is what it's looking like. It's a beautiful restaurant, very beautiful. Toledotapas and seafood. It's looking like. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to get seated and get something to eat. So yes, drinks. I got a Spanish margarita. It's extremely strong. They've got the same thing. Mike always gets Sprite. I don't want to be tipsy already. I didn't get my food yet. I didn't even show y'all the apple. Tore it up. tore it up completely. Didn't remember to film. He was basking in the moment, guys. So little big boy is doing too much.
Get a specialty character drink.
Completely forgot to show you all the food. This is what's left off, or we got the chulin ribeye steak for 2. Mike got pork chops. Yeah, we got Brussels sprouts, mashed potatoes, and some roasted garlic and a whole lot of other stuff. But I forgot. I started eating like, you know, we've been hungry. Started eating immediately. So this is what's left.
Olive oil, stuff with mashed potato.
Yeah. It's good, guys. They have a roof that changes color. That changes color, guys. So check back in complimentary, whatever that is. It looks nice. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yeah. We all gonna try.
Alright, go ahead.
Kinda want a piece.
It's a strawberry. Oh, it's not. It's a view over here, guys. Yeah. No.
No, it's not good.
That acid, that's Toronto right there.
Yeah, so that's Hollywood Street.
Yeah.
What time is it? After 9, 10?
Alright, guys, so we're heading back to the room. The place, it was nice, a nice ambiance and everything. Babe didn't love the food, but it was okay. I liked it. I'm a little bit tipsy. You know, I'm always tipsy.
Yeah, the alcohol.
That's the best thing, the alcohol. Alright, let me show you a little bit of the resort area.
What is it?
Oh, you passed it?
Hell yeah, pass it. Oh yeah, but
He's high, guys, so you're not high, you're tipsy. High is weed. Tipsy with a capital T. The capital T, I ate off all my lipstick. Guys, and people are saying, no, my babe look young. They took 10 years off his age. That's a big compliment, baby. Give me a kiss.
Yeah, you do, Mike. But you're a son, so you're supposed to.
Right? You're supposed to tell us that. He says, oh, you guys look so young. He's always saying that. When we get back to the room, I'll check back in, guys, because, yeah.
You were lost.
You lost?
6. About 6.
This happened last time.
Oh, God, Mike. I'm coming up on the spot like that. Something last time.
This is a huge resort, people. When I say huge, it's huge. So, babe passed and because I'm tipsy. Let me see. 7. You didn't get to there yet, babe.
7 got away. There's another 6 got away already by the time.
And I broke a nail.
6, yeah, right. This one.
Okay, ranchos. Let me show them.
Oh.
So when I got back to the room last night, I forgot to record. This is just a shot of the lobby area. I wanted to show you how beautiful it looks. So this is the end of the video, the end of our birthday celebration. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Leave it in the comments if you like what you watch, and I'll see you in another video. Peace. Stay blessed.